that is 3073 and 3938. Now I got an umbrella, I don't know where it's at. Well, everybody, if all of you enjoyed this train video here, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will help bring other train people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. What did you think about today's train video? But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Take care. And thanks for watching.